Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. Today is special. We're going to be plotting a graph. This graph is a filet crochet graph, right? Yeah, a filet crochet is an aspect of crochet that works essentially with meshes, right? And inside of those meshes, diagrams are drawn. You know, you could draw a flower, you could draw an animal, you could draw a person, you could draw anything you want to draw. Today I'm going to be plotting a butterfly. All right, there's a garment we want to work on, and yes, a butterfly was part of this garment. All right, so I'm going to be plotting it here so that I can work it out onto the filet garment. It's a filet skirt. All right, so yeah, I'm going to start now. Usually with every other graph, right, there are dimensions. So this butterfly dimensions is a 24 yeah, wide, for 24 boxes wide, 22 boxes long. So I'm going to be using this 30 by 30 space right here to draw it. If you're new to our channel, do go subscribe. We bring you brand new videos every week showing you various aspects of crochet. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore. We tell you how we made one of our own bespoke pieces. We simplify patterns, we draw patterns, we do all sorts. We inspire you on all the different possibilities of crochet. So do go subscribe. We have our galleries up on Instagram. Yeah, our gallery for our wedding day apparel, you can find that at Makisode Weddings. And then for our corporate casuals and accessories, you can find those at Makisode Models. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this plot. I'll call it plot this butterfly. All right, like I said, it's 24 squares wide and 22 squares long, so I'm going to be working it in between right here. Okay,